In this lecture, I want to talk about article tag in HTML5. The article element specifies independent, self-contained content. An article should make sense on its own, and it should be possible to read and independently from the rest of the website. Example of where an article element can be used is forum posts, blog posts, and newspaper article. Okay, I delete sections. I want to create an article. Open tag and article. In article, I create a h1 tag and set again card and set a paragraph. Save and refresh. That's it. I create an article tag, and into the article create h1 tag and paragraph tag. Nesting semantic element. In HTML5 standard, the article element defines a complete self-contained block of related elements. The section element is defined as a block of related elements. Can we use the definition to decide how to nest elements? No, we cannot. On the internet, you will find HTML pages with section elements containing article elements and article elements containing section elements. You will also find pages with section elements containing section elements and article element containing article elements. In the newspaper, the sport articles in the sports section have a technical section in each article. For example, I create a section and in section tag I have article tag, and in article tag I have h1 and paragraph tag. Save it. You see, nothing happened, but we defined our HTML page, which one is section, which one is article, and it's it is very good to read from our browser. We can use article that has section element in it and set h1 and paragraph. Save, refresh. Nothing happened, but we can use section element in article and article in section element. Another way we can use article and then create another article and use save, refresh. We can use nesting semantic elements and cannot definitions to decide how to nest elements. Good luck.